Okay, we got a 2005 GMC Savanna. We got a real main seal leak. And if you look, that's the oil puddle right there. And if you look any further, you see a fresh one starting right there. But that's her. So we're gonna put this stuff in here we found to see what happens. This stuff supposed to stop leaks in like 20 minutes. It's called Motor Purr Tune-Up. Does a lot of stuff. Might want to check their website. Okay, so we're gonna pour this in, let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna crank it on up and let it run for 20 minutes. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hey, go and crank it up.
5 minutes up.
Yeah, crank it up. Okay, we got 1 minute left, but to remind you that thing in the middle right there, that happened overnight. We'll come back in a couple of days and check it. See if it gets small. Yeah, we'll cut it on off. We about to change the oil, get this stuff out of here. All right, we'll be back in a couple of days. Now here's the spot where it was leaking today. We shot the video. Here's the other spot where it's been leaking at. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, about to take a second look out here at this van. It had been days now. Got him to back it up. We're looking at it here. And everything looks dry. Let's get a little closer. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Motor Purr. Best stuff I ever seen. Trust me, we had everything in here also, from 702 to Lucas stop leak, bars leak, all kinds of stuff. Couldn't get it to stop leaking for nothing. But this stuff actually did it. Thank you, sir. Company is excellent.